Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm back with another crochet stitch tutorial to show you. This one is so pretty. I think this one would be really good for lacy blankets or wraps or even a table runner, anything like that. You can make anything you want if you start out with a starting chain with a multiple of 8 plus 7. And I love the way it looks like there's little petals, almost kind of floral. So anyway, in today's tutorial, we are using I Love This Cotton in Rosy. And it's a size 4 medium weight yarn. And we're also using an F 3.75 millimeter crochet hook. And if you'd like to see the written instructions, they'll be in the description box below, as well as instructions on how to speed up or slow down my video if I go too fast or too slow for you. And believe it or not, this is only a 1-row repeat, so not much to memorize there. You'll memorize it pretty quickly. And this is the front. This is the back. It looks equally pretty on both sides, I think. So let's get started with the tutorial. So like I said before, you need a multiple of 8 plus 7. So we're going to start out with a multiple of 8 for 24 plus 7 for 31. For row 1, you're going to work a cluster stitch in the 7th chain from the hook. So a cluster stitch is you yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. One more time, yarn over, insert your hook back into the same stitch or chain, yarn over, pull back through, yarn over, draw through 2. Now you'll have 4. Yarn over, draw through all 4 loops. And that is a cluster stitch. From here, you'll skip 3 chains, and in the next chain, double crochet. Chain 2, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2. Now we begin that again. So we'll skip 1 chain, in the next chain we'll double crochet. Chain 3, and in the same chain work a cluster stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and then draw through all 4 loops. Skip 3 chains and double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, and now we'll begin our repeat again. Skip 1 chain, double crochet in the next chain. Chain 3, cluster stitch in the same chain. 1, 2, 3, draw through all 4 loops, skip 3 chains, double crochet in the next chain. Chain 2, skip 1 chain, single crochet in the next chain. chain 2, and you'd repeat that pattern the whole way across. The double crochet, chain 3, cluster stitch, skip 3 chains, double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, single crochet, skip 1 chain, single crochet, chain 2. Just repeat that the whole way across. Skip 1 chain. For your last stitch you need a double crochet. That is row 1. Row 2 is the row that you will continue to repeat the rest of the way through your project. So you'll chain 6, turn your work, cluster stitch in the same chain right here, or same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Draw through all 4 loops. So this counts as a double crochet and a chain 3. For your next stitch, you'll skip the chain 2 space, skip this stitch, skip the chain 2 space, and you'll work a double crochet in the top of this double crochet from the previous row. Chain 2, single crochet in this chain 3 space on top of the cluster, chain 2, double crochet in the top of this next double crochet. So all your double crochets will be stacked on top of each other. Each double crochet will go in the next double crochet, if that helps you out. Chain 3. Now we'll work a cluster stitch in the same stitch as the double crochet. And our next double crochet will go in the top of this one. So we'll skip the chain 2 space, skip the single crochet, skip the chain 2 space, double crochet in the double crochet. Chain 2, that's our repeat right here. Single crochet in the chain 3 space above the cluster, chain 2, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, cluster stitch in the same stitch, skip all this, double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 2, and for the last part you need to single crochet in the chain 6, chain 2, and then you're going to work a double crochet in the 3rd chain out. To end your row. That is row 2 and every other row for the rest of the pattern. So you just repeat that row over and over again, and when you're finished, you'll get this really pretty design that would work for many, many projects, even placemats on a table, whatever you want. Get creative, make it your own. I hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas on what you would make with this crochet project, go ahead and leave those in the comments below to help others so they can get new ideas. Again, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.